My name is Alakshi Tomar and I belong from Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. I've done my graduation in English literature. I have worked for 2.5 years in Accenture in the HR division. Working for 2.5 years in a corporate setup, it sort of gave me an inclination. It wasn't a one-time realization that I need to work for the social sector. Fortunately, I had the chance to listen to Aditya Nataraj talk, and that sort of motivated me to join the Gandhi Fellowship.
Hi, I'm Achal Gupta. I'm from Ghaziabad. I've studied economics honors in Delhi University. I was a strong believer of capitalism. I still am. I do not really believe in NGO sector or social sector, but still I decided to join Gandhi Fellowship.
Hi, my name is Sagar Jaina and I'm from the state of Odisha. I did my bachelor's degree in economics from the Government Autonomous College, Rourkela. I wanted to explore the rural area and want to experiment in the field of education, and this fellowship is the only place where I could figure it out.
My name is Sameer. I born in Bihar. I got my all education in Delhi. 12th में जब मैं था तो उस दौरान मैं एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में एज ए वॉलंटियर वर्क भी कर रहा था। तो उस दौरान मैंने सोसाइटी को बहुत करीब से देखा और मेरे खुद के अपने एक्सपीरियंस भी वहाँ पे क्लैश हो रहे थे, जो मेरी शुरू से ही एक ख्वाहिश थी कि मैं कुछ करूँ सोसाइटी के लिए। तो वो एक गांधी फेलोशिप ने मुझे एक प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड किया।
To my surprise, Gandhi Fellowship is not really about social service as much as it is about self-exploration, understanding which domain do you really like, what is it that you really want to do, how is it that you want to progress. It's about identifying your value system, it's about articulating it in words, it's about understanding the market and working on the ground.
They give you a lot of challenges, they give you a lot of opportunities wherein you can, even if you don't have ideas, you'll have to come up with ideas because the kind of difficult situation it puts you in.
Gandhi Fellowship teaches you a lot of things in self-building. That is risk-taking, collaborative work, influence without authority. This fellowship is not about making some name or fame. It's just making change within you and with the society.
If you want to see the problem, you have to come in a grassroots. और फिर आपके अंदर क्या पोटेंशियल है कि आप उसका इस्तेमाल करते हुए उस समस्याओं को दूर करते हैं, जो गांधी फेलोशिप आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करती है। एजुकेशन के साथ साथ आपको कम्युनिटी के साथ भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है।
There are few processes here which really help you in self-exploration, something like Vipassana, something like learning journey, where you go for 10 days, you sit in noble silence, you think what is it that you care about the most, what is it that scares you the most, and then you start your journey ahead.
The keywords that they talk about change, inner and outer journey, about stepping out of your comfort zone, I think I've encountered that completely. I have faced situation that I never thought I would face.
मेरी फर्स्ट CI थी वो एक ऐसी कम्युनिटी में थी जो ज़्यादातर माइग्रेटरी जो थे वो मुंबई से थे। तो मुझे वहाँ पे रियलाइज़ हुआ और वहाँ पे बच्चों के ड्रॉप आउट रेशियोज़ बहुत ज़्यादा थे। तो फिर मैंने वहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज किया एजुकेशन अवेयरनेस कैंप, मैंने पेरेंट्स की काउंसलिंग की। इवन वहाँ पे गर्ल्स ड्रॉप आउट रेशियोज़ बहुत ज़्यादा थे। वजह ये थी कि वो लोग अपने बच्चों को कम्युनिटी से बाहर भेजना नहीं चाह रहे थे। मैंने ये सारी चीज़ें करी और वहाँ पे पता किया कि कितनी ऐसी लड़कियाँ हैं जो वाकई में पढ़ना चाहती हैं, लेकिन उसके मम्मी पापा उनको परमिशन नहीं दे रहे हैं। और आज मुझे खुशी होती है कि इस सर्वे से और इस मेरे काम से वहाँ पे बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ हैं जो NIOS से इनरोल हो गई हैं। अब वो लोग चाहते हैं कि हाँ मेरे बच्चे पढ़े।
The competencies that we would experience, that is collaborative work, influence without authority, and through which we can actually make a change in the society. And foremost importance is of having great patience. Unless and until you have the patience, we cannot solve this any issue, because without that, everything is going to fall out.
Living in the slum community for a month, I was sort of, I didn't get a house for a while, I was thrown out. Then I went and stayed with a Muslim family, and the kind of perceptions and the warmth that you get from them, it completely changes your perspective towards life as well as issues.
You come across a lot of people here and you start understanding their stories. You start understanding that a person who is 20 years old or 13-year-old can have as intense a story as a person who is 50, 60 years old.
Walking on the ground and working with the schools, I realized that if I have to create mass scale impact, then I have to replicate the model. And the only way that I could do it was technology. So in the class, I always use the audiovisual medium to teach the students. So I think after this fellowship, I would like to accelerate such kind of information in a mass scale manner by joining EdTech organizations so that I can replicate it in my home state and all over India.
एक और चीज़ होता है कि आप में मेंटर्स और जो आपके पीयर्स होते हैं उनसे जितना लर्निंग मिलता है, आई थिंक सिचुएशंस और अपॉर्चुनिटी से तो मिलता ही है, बट एक एक्स्ट्रा एड ऑन आ जाता है. So I think that is really motivating.
कि एजुकेशन एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो अगर इंसान के अंदर सही से चला जाए तो शायद पूरी दुनिया में कभी भी प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं आएंगी. सही एजुकेशन भी कैसी सही, वाकई में अगर सही एजुकेशन आप देना चाहते हो तो दिस इज़ अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म.
Even if you want to go into the corporates, you will understand how to deal with people, how to build your value system, what to compromise on and what not to compromise on. And this is a learning which you really need to get before you enter the market or when you step into the market and start your life.
I think irrespective of whatever institution you are, we can join the fellowship. It's just not because you don't have anything, that's why you'll join the fellowship, but to build up yourself and to change the society at its grassroots level. Unless and until we keep on reading theory, it's not going to help. We have to take action, and for that action, you will have the experience in this fellowship.
It's very challenging here. I'm not saying that it's a piece of cake कि आप आते हैं, आपको challenges मिलेंगे और it'll just be all fun and games and you'll learn a lot. It's very challenging like that, but it also has a similar level of learning attached to it.
It's not about charity here. It's not about going with a jhola in that khadi kurta and doing some social work. It's about self-learning, experimentation, getting a new idea, working on it. You get a lot of scope here to initiate your own projects, to start public system projects, and then explore your entrepreneurial side, to explore your teamwork side and a team leader side. And that is why I think you should join it.
I hope कि अगर आपके अंदर इतनी पोटेंशियल है और कुछ करना चाहते हो तो ये गांधी फेलोशिप आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करती है. जो अपने आप थिंकिंग है, जो आपकी सोच है, जो आप कुछ करना चाहते हो, वो आप यहाँ पे आके कर सकते हो.
This is a place where you actually get you not only get a place to change karo. What you can actually do, you can learn, live, and fulfill your dreams at this place.